The 2027 Hyundai Tucson is taking a major step away from the model it replaces, with Hyundai giving its popular compact crossover a larger body, a much boxier appearance, and a completely redesigned interior. Rather than simply updating the current Tucson, Hyundai has gone for a noticeably different personality that makes the new generation look tougher and more substantial. The exterior is dominated by straight lines, sharp edges, and squared-off proportions. Hyundai has also introduced an illuminated H design at the front and rear, helping create a recognizable lighting signature after dark. The overall appearance is more rugged than before, while the larger windows and more upright shape give the Tucson a stronger sport utility vehicle presence. The changes go beyond styling. Hyundai has increased the overall length by 2.3 inches, or 60 millimeters, bringing the new Tucson to approximately 185 inches, or 4.7 meters. Around half of that additional length has been added to the wheelbase, which now measures 109.6 inches, or 2,785 millimeters. Width has increased by 1.57 inches, or 40 millimeters, bringing the total width to approximately 75 inches, or 1,905 millimeters. The Tucson is also 0.8 inches, or 20 millimeters, taller than before at 66.3 inches, or 1,685 millimeters. Those larger dimensions should make a noticeable difference for passengers. Rear headroom has increased by 1.1 inches, or 29 millimeters, while larger rear quarter windows help create a more open feeling inside. Hyundai has also increased the rear door opening angle by 10 degrees to 83 degrees, making it easier for passengers to enter and exit the second row. Inside, the transformation is just as significant. The dashboard has been redesigned around Hyundai's new Pleos infotainment system and a large central touchscreen. Hyundai has not confirmed the display size, but the overall layout follows the company's latest approach to digital technology. Importantly, Hyundai has not moved every function onto the touchscreen. Physical controls remain underneath the main display, providing easier access to frequently used functions. A separate slim digital instrument display sits high on the dashboard in the driver's line of sight. Materials such as perforated upholstery, wood-inspired trim, and ambient lighting give the cabin a more upscale atmosphere while still maintaining a practical layout. Combined with the additional interior space, the new Tucson appears to be moving further toward the premium side of the compact crossover market. Hyundai is currently focusing on the design and dimensions, so powertrain specifications have not yet been announced. More technical information is expected closer to launch. The new Tucson is scheduled to go on sale in Korea later this year, with additional global markets expected to receive the redesigned model during 2027. For Tucson buyers, this is clearly more than a routine update. Hyundai has changed the proportions, exterior personality, cabin technology, and passenger space, giving one of its most important models a noticeably different identity for its next generation.